Let's today solve the problem based on time dilation. So the problem is how fast must a spacecraft travel relative to the earth for each day on the spacecraft to correspond to 2 days on the earth. Okay, that means the question is for asking how fast must a spacecraft travel. That means the velocity of the spacecraft. Let's see. Let v be the velocity of the spacecraft. Okay, and next is uh, relative to the earth. So let's see, the spacecraft is in frame s dash, okay, which moves with velocity v and which is relative to the earth. And let's say earth as with the frame of reference of earth. Okay, so this spacecraft move with velocity v with respect to earth. Now the question is here that to the earth for each day on the spacecraft, that means for one day, that let's say if t dash be the time on the spacecraft or frame s dash, okay, t dash be the time of frame s dash, then the value of t dash is 1 day. Okay, because it is given here that to the earth for each day on the spacecraft to correspond to 2 days on the earth. That means if t dash equals 1 day, then t equals 2 day, and t be the sorry and t be the time for frame s. That means for 1 day at spacecraft equals 2 day on earth. Okay, so this is the given condition and we have to calculate the value of v. Since we know that time delay equals time proper upon under root 1 minus v square by c square. Okay, so let's see what is what here t is the time delay, because t dash in its own frame spacecraft is in its frame of reference as dash, so there is no delay, so t dash with the t dash, therefore t dash equals proper time and t be the delay time. Okay, so the value of t delay is given. T proper is 1 day, that means 1 over 1 minus v square by c square. Okay, and t delay is 2 and we have to calculate v. So let's calculate the value of this equation. So 1 minus v square by c square equals 1 over 2, or 1 minus v square by c square equals 1 over 4, or v square by c square equals 1 minus 1 by 4, that is v equals 3 by 4 c or root 3 by 2 c. Okay, so v equals root 3 by 2 c meter per second. This is the answer for this question. Now solving the next problem. Okay, a certain particle has a lifetime 1 into 10 to the power minus 7 second when measured at rest. Okay, so let's say this is the frame s dash, okay, and this is frame s, and particle, because particle and now हम इसको फिर से पढ़ते हैं एक बार. A certain particle has a lifetime of 1 into 10 to the power minus 7 सेकेंड व्हेन मेजर्ड एट रेस्ट. ओके, जब ये रेस्ट में मेजर किया जा रहा है. हाउ फॉर डज इट गो बिफोर डिकेइंग? इट्स स्पीड इज 0.99 c. ठीक है. व्हेन इट इज क्रिएटेड. ओके, सो पार्टिकल की लाइफ टाइम गिवन है. ओके, व्हाट इज गिवन? लाइफ टाइम of the particle equals 1 into 10 to the power minus 7 सेकेंड. एंड व्हेन इट इज़ मेजर्ड एट रेस्ट, मतलब कि जो पार्टिकल है ये जब क्रिएट हो रहा था, मतलब जब पार्टिकल ये क्रिएट हुआ है, ठीक है, दैट मीन्स लेट्स से दिस इज अ पार्टिकल एंड इट दिस टाइम व्हेन इट इज़ क्रिएटेड इट इज़ एट रेस्ट in its own frame. Okay, so as does be the frame of the particle. So particle is here and it moves when it is created, it is at rest, then the time of the particle is 1 into 10 to the power minus 7 second. So t dash will be 1 into 10 to the power minus 7 second. Okay, so this is the proper time. This is the proper time. Okay, now the question is, how far does it go before decaying? Its speed is 0.91 second. Now when it is created, then it moves with velocity 0.99 c. Okay, and if it travels before it decaying, ठीक है, so we have to calculate the time of this travel before it decay. Okay, so the observer is here and it sees that how much distance is travel here. Okay, so distance regarding this travel is delta x, because it observe this delta x. Okay, so we have to calculate delta x. ठीक है, तो हमको क्या कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा? तो हमारे पास डेल्टा एक्स है और हमको फिर इसको सॉल्व करना है. तो हम डेल्टा एक्स को कैसे फाइंड कर सकते हैं? सिंस वी नो दैट स्पीड इक्वल डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम, सो डेल्टा एक्स इक्वल्स v इंटू डेल्टा टी. सो वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट टी डिले. डेल्टा टी इज व्हाट? टी डिले. ओके, सो डेल्टा टी इक्वल्स टी डिले and delta t and t dash equals t proper. Okay, so delta t equals t proper upon 1 minus v square by c square. Okay, and therefore delta x from this equation 1 equals v into t proper over 1 minus v square by c square. Okay, so what is the value of this equation? v की वैल्यू है 0.99 c, t proper is 1 into 10 to the power minus 7 second upon 1 minus 0.99 c over c square. Okay, so we have 0.99 into 330, because the value of c is 3 into 10 to the power 8. This value is 3 into 10 to the power 8. So 1 is cancel out and this is 30. Okay, upon 1 minus 0.99 square. After solving this, we have the answer 210 meters. Okay, so this is the question for this answer.